Hi guys, welcome to myToyS TV. Today we're going to be opening Poosie surprise unicorn thingies, and there's rainbow poop. I don't know what it is. It's new and it says train the hands and the brain plus 6 DIY and more. Let's open the blue one, the light purple one first. Ooh, fancy! And then how do I get this open? Scissors, of course. My favorite weapon. It's a suitcase. It's a suitcase. Let's open the suitcase. This sticker on top is taking me from opening the surprises. I see the comb have come out here. Oh, her sippy bottle and the little unicorn surprise. She's so cute. Her hair is so smooth. Her hair, she's Poosie. She has a comb. She has a ponytail. I have a ponytail. I got a ponytail. Look at her. She's such a cutie. Close up, man. I'm gonna use her comb and comb her hair softer and softer because I like it super soft, and I can play with her hair all day, right? These come with big sizes, and the big sizes, we need water. But
yeah,
not on the landing wall. In another video. Her head can do this, and you can also feed water for her. But I don't know where I feed it. Maybe in the back. Ooh, yeah. No, that's a screw. So moving on to the next one.